Yeah, wagwan my peeps. Welcome back to the channel, The Lone Soldier, Am Ricardo. Yeah man, and it's another episode. I will still continue on the Illuminati things same way, the deep state. But today we are gonna look on the pyramid, So join me. I may unveil certain things about the pyramid here. And big up yourself on another Friday. And I wish you all the best for your coming strong. In today's positive line or quote, I come from a man named Mr. Rule Lazuli, and him say, if you want to see the truth, you must be brave enough to look. Let me repeat that again. If you want to see the truth, you must be brave enough to look. And yes, people, sometimes, as I try to show you, not everything you hear is the truth. You understand? And if you do certain checks and them things, just like how I always tell you to check out my information, I always try to leave a link or something in the description, so you can go check it out or read the article or so. But today we are taking a little bit a different direction. I already know that we do here, so we take it from a little different direction. Because today we are going to discuss the pyramid. You understand? The thing the pyramid is a very, very powerful thing. You see it on the US dollar over the years. A lot of people never really understand why it was there, just like me. I never really understand. But as I say, I went looking, and I find out some things about the pyramid there. And, I'm going to try to break it down in the most simplest form I can for you today, just to make you kind of get a better understanding as to what is going on. So, as I say, just follow me with this, and things. So please have a look at your screen. I will say if we can get this thing up and running, So the pyramid where you normally see on the back of the US dollar. The same one with the top part broke off and it have an eye, from the lower part of the pyramid. Well, if you check out the Roman numerals on the bottom of the pyramid, you realize that it means 1776 as I already tell you. You can do some research on that. And you have 13 layers represent the council at 13. The 13 which is family, and it represents the first 13 colonies in America. You understand? 13 layers. 13 is a number in the occult as well in a freemasonry. Well known it, and number 3. You always hear old people say back in the day them say 3 are death. And you have 33 too, we represent the 33rd degree, as we did read out in the previous episode. So the 33rd degree is the highest you can reach, and the people them like Albert Mazzini, enough of them, Obama, Trump them, enough of them are 32nd, 31st, 33rd degree Freemason. You understand? So yeah. But the eye now, up at the top where you see it break off now, as you realize there's a gap and it break off, that shows it is outwardly, meaning it's not in our realm. So the true orders now are the people them up at the top of the sun. Where I get the info, where I get the instructions directly from the entity itself, Lucifer, or the devil, or whatever you want to call it, or me that say Horus. Because them use it to represent Horus, which is the sun god, that is where Sunday worship come from, the eye of Horus. Yeah man. They can do some checks on that too as well. Yeah man. So this was presented as their symbol back in the day, and it is very significant today because, as I say, if you watch most movies, any top movie, or any top music video, or the top artist, them always show up the eye or the pyramid, but there's different levels, as when the show say it break up, so the eye pyramid are the highest level, and the Baphomet or the music and them other one, the business and local stuff or some other different entities control that, but the eye is the highest entity, you understand, and the Rothchild and the Rockefellers and the Bilderbergers and the Kennedys and the them and the top families them and them people really too to them face. Really too to them face in the newspaper and in the magazine. These people manage to keep themselves out of the scene. But as what I try to show you, say for years we have been blaming the wrong man. We have blamed the man and now blame the person behind the man, because as we say, the thing has been infiltrated and controlled from day one. So everybody have to fall under the order. If you not fall under the order and do what you do, and they control everything, your entertainment, your food, they control everything, education, they control everything. They control everything. Don't take it for joke when I tell you, so them control everything. You ever ask yourself why so much people are dead? Because the food. Most people we have to work so hard we can't get to go home, go cook, so we are live on fast food, and that no good for you. Especially when you buy them money for Burger King and them something. Them think they give the cancer, them think they give the diabetes. You understand? Them have you so distracted that you can't even provide for yourself. If you have to cook, you're too tired, or you have somebody to cook for you, you maybe not like how them cook. And the system so pressured that you have to go work 5 days out of the week. So 5 days out of the week, nobody, somebody else grow your youth. You understand? As I say, them control everything, and them are the one who set these things. All the way you see in front of you are just puppets, them have to follow order. I'm going to show you what I go on. As I may point out to you, say, the Eye of Horus, which is the illuminated eye, up at the top of the pyramid, represent the Eye of Horus. And did you know that this man have a whole heap of things similar to Jesus, or the God that we supposed to serve? And this is one of the reasons why I never really trusted the name Jesus, because I really don't think it's factual. Because look on it, Jamaica have more church per square mile. See? But yet still we have so much violence. You understand? And if you have so much church, if them praise the right God, at least the energy is supposed to, spread and help contain what go on. But we don't see that. So let me read out what it's because I don't know when I really run joke. But anyway, Horus, Egyptian god worshipped since 2200 BC. And listen to this now. Born of a virgin, had 12 disciples, healed the sick and injured, raised Asar from the dead. Asar translates to Lazarus. Crucified, then resurrected after 3 days. Known as the Lamb, the Way, the Light. Doesn't seem so original now, does it? Is what I try to show people. This man is a total copy. And who we know always try for a copy? God. Devil man, so that's why I show you say the symbol with the eye is very important. You understand? Yeah, man. It represents the God of them I work with. And the monarchs them, which is the queen. And the warlocks them, like the priest them, and the pope and them people there. Yeah, man. A big conspiracy. But let me give you a piece of history. You remember me show you about the pentagon, the 5-pointed star. You didn't know, that 5-pointed star they designed out in Washington DC. The layout of the ground, the environment itself. Yeah, man. Layout the ground, the environment itself. So the road them and the lane them and everything make up. So when you're flying over, you look on it from above, you see it. And you realize why they direct them make it shows straight up in the sky. You understand? And what else they making another symbol like that? Similar to it. I remember in the pentagram. You never wonder why them call it the pentagon. You never did look on it that way, they don't. Yeah, man. The pentagram. The pentagon. And these things point straight to the sky, because you have a lot of people who believe, say, the devil there underground. Yeah, man. A lot of people that follow the show named Lucifer. Well, the devil, the ruler of hell, and the devil have nothing to do with hell. The devil is going to hell. That's all me certain. That's why I'm here to read so, because all we have chance. But he's going to hell, and him know him now no chance. So that's why them direct these things to the sky, because the devil kingdom is in the sky. Why am I going to underground? He's not going to be between you and God. And he always put himself between you and God. You understand? I bet you never look on it that way there. And so we now waste no time, you know. We just have to push out some information, get you up to date. You understand? Yeah, man. The Pentagram and Washington DC or the White House there. You know? And see them too. Have a look for yourself. See that? White House, Washington DC. See the star mark out? Right in the town. You understand? And the pentagram, is a five-sided thing, 5-pointed star, 5-sided pentagram. Can't make this stuff up, people. Why them build it? Why them couldn't just build a normal building? You understand? Why they have to build it and call it the pentagon? You understand? Why them design out Washington DC like that? Is that a coincidence? The evil there a long time, my people, as you know, try for sure. Do some checks and you will start to find out what go on. You know? Do some checks and you will start to see the truth what go on. You know? Thank you for joining me on another Friday. Please remember to like, share, subscribe if you're new here. You know? Big up yourself. Self being the lone soldier.